Jesus calls us to a radical love that defies logic. Love your enemies and do good to those who hate you. This is the solid rock foundation that holds firm when the storms of life begin to rage. Great faith isn't found in religious status, but in total trust. Like the centurion, we must believe that a single word from Jesus is enough to heal the distance and restore what is broken. Don't cry, the Lord of life has arrived. Jesus touches the place of our greatest grief and speaks life into the dead, proving that his compassion is the final word over our deepest sorrows. On the mountain, the servant's hidden glory is revealed. We are commanded to stop our frantic talking and simply listen to the sun, whose light outshines every shadow of doubt in our hearts. Who is your neighbor? It's the person the world tells you to avoid. Mercy doesn't look for excuses to pass by. It stops in the dirt to bind the wounds of the hurting, no matter the cost. In a world of constant noise and doing, Jesus invites us to being. Don't let your worry about serving distract you from the one thing that truly matters, sitting at the feet of the Master. Foolish is the one who builds bigger bonds for a life that could end tonight. Don't waste your days accumulating what you can't keep. Instead, invest your soul in being rich toward God. Consider the lilies. They do not toil, yet God clothes them in glory. If He cares for the grass of the field, how much more will He provide for you? Trade your heavy worry for His perfect peace.